Hello and welcome back to the channel. This video we're going to talk about the new Top Tier Plus certification. But let's start out with a little history. Most people understand that gasoline comes from a refinery. However, that is raw gas. That is gas that you would definitely not want to put in your vehicle. But it is the base for the gasoline in your car. So let's start out with a little history. In 1990, the Clean Air Act regulated the fuel chemistry and decreased vehicle emissions. In 1995, the EPA came up with the first mandatory minimum detergent guideline, referred to as LAC, or lowest additive concentration. In 1996, LAC became the standard, legally required for all gasoline providers. The unintended consequence of that was it became a race to the bottom, and most manufacturers cut their detergent concentrations down to about 50%. Well, by the early 2000s, auto manufacturers were noticing that this was starting to cause some problems, including deposit buildup, rough idling, hard starts, surging, and loss of power. Frustrated with the low EPA floor, BMW, General Motors, Honda, and Toyota got together and bypassed the government entirely in 2004 and published their own benchmark known as Top Tier, which requires gasoline brands to use significantly higher concentrations of detergent and pass significant performance tests. So how do we get top tier fuel from standard raw fuel? That happens at the distributor. The distributor takes the raw fuel and adds the additives into the gasoline. Additives which include ethanol and different detergents. As far as detergents and additives go, it's roughly between 0.05 ounces and 0.5 ounces per gallon, depending on the particular blend. In the case of top tier fuel, it's 2 to 3 times what the base EPA standard is. It's literally where Shell becomes Shell, Exxon becomes Exxon, and BP becomes BP. So you might be saying gasoline is gasoline, and nothing could be farther from the truth. 30 years ago, yep, absolutely, gasoline was gasoline, but not so much today. If we take a look at the standard EPA guideline compared to the top tier guideline, the standard detergent level, when we look at top tier, it's 2 to 5 times higher in concentration. Standard gasoline, ask any mechanic and they'll tell you they can tell when standard gasoline is used as opposed to top tier, simply because of carbon buildup. With the standard, 19 times more gunk in carbon buildup, as opposed to the top tier fuel, which has a minimal self-cleaning profile. Intake valve deposits, typically we're finding about 660 milligrams per valve, whereas with the top tier fuel, you typically find about 50 milligrams per valve. As far as emissions go, yes, standard gasoline works. It does meet the minimum standards, but the top tier fuel brand also reduces hydrocarbons. Older vehicles use port fuel injection. The newer vehicles use what's known as GDI, or gasoline direct injection. The advantage of port fuel injection is the valves got cleaned and washed by the gasoline as it came into the engine. The disadvantage was low fuel efficiency and created lower power outputs per liter. GDI engines, on the other hand, have higher fuel efficiency and provide sharper throat response and more horsepower and less carbon emissions. The disadvantage is because it puts the fuel directly into the piston with a high pressure fuel pump, it does not wash the back of the valves, but we get far higher fuel economy. Thus the reason for Top Tier Plus, again coming out in early 2027. So what's the difference? Regular top tier fuel is definitely better than standard fuel. Top tier fuel definitely keeps your engine clean, whereas Top Tier Plus actually has a restorative capability. Top tier fuel is meant for port fuel injection, whereas the new standard, Top Tier Plus, is meant for GDI and turbocharged engines. Top tier fuel actively prevents valve deposits, whereas Top Tier Plus aggressively cleans and restores the GDI injection nozzles. The Top Tier fuel meets the baseline high deposit standards, whereas the Top Tier Plus far exceeds it. Some of the key benefits with Top Tier: optimizes performance, reduces emissions, and protects the fuel system, whereas Top Tier Plus restores low power, improves fuel economy, and enhances engine durability. And both standards are endorsed by automakers like BMW, GM, Ford, Toyota, etc. Some brands have already gone to Top Tier Plus, and others are still researching it. Some that have already gone to Top Tier Plus are Costco, BP, Amoco, and Citgo, while Shell, Chevron, Texaco, Exxon, and Mobil are firmly in the certification process, but haven't been certified as of this recording. If you want more information about Top Tier Fuel, go to their website. They also have an iPhone app as well as an Android app. Information on those in the description below. If the gas station you go provides it, you'll see the logo as well. I've been running Top Tier Fuel in my vehicle since the day I got it. You pay an awful lot for vehicles nowadays. It's good to protect your investment. If you have any comments or questions, please ask them down below. I do answer all questions and comments. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.